Hey everybody, welcome to my channel if you are new here. And if you are returning, then welcome. In today's video, we are going to be doing this is one of my favorite quick summer protective styles for my hair. This is kind of a style I do when I know I'm like gonna have to go to the gym but do other things later. You can leave pieces out in the front like I did, or you could just wear it all sleek back. Okay, so I really don't know what happened to the rest of my intro, but let's just get into it. So I just taken my hair down. My hair is old. This isn't the sleek back braid that, you know, I want to last for like a week or something. This is something I'm doing on old hair when I want to look cute, but you know, I ain't got time to like revamp it. So I'm just creating a bang part for myself. This is optional, but I like to do this because my forehead is big, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I actually had it right the first time. I didn't leave out enough of my bang for myself in the end because my bang is layered. So if I had left out just a little more, it would have been longer and matched the length of the hair more. But you know, it's all good, you know what I'm saying? We still gonna stick it out. So I just sectioned that away, and then my two little fake baby hairs in the front, that's the only thing I'm gonna sleek down. Everything is going straight back because I don't even want to have to be dealing with, you know, worrying about my baby hairs being sweated out. You know what I'm saying? People live in a windy city, ain't nobody got time for that. So right now I just started putting the jam on my hair, but I actually meant to put my hair in a ponytail first because I just feel like it's easier, obviously, to control your hair. It's kind of in a mock ponytail. I'm going to put it in a mock ponytail to just so it can stay in the same position, so I'm sleeking it back in the right direction, if that makes sense. And this part, your arms is just going to hurt a lot because you're going to keep putting your arms up over and over again, girl. So here I'm just using a comb. I find that better for me. I use a bristle brush as well, but I like the last thing for me to use be a comb. It just encourages less frizz for me. And I'm doing the other side too, which honestly, y'all, I'm only doing for the video. I don't care if my little kitchen be out. I'm black. I got a kitchen. I don't know what to tell people. But for the sake of the video, I'm just slicking everything down because you do want it to look cutesy and photogenic or whatever. Whew, my arms. And here I'm just putting on a second ponytail holder to secure it. I'm going to make sure it's even tighter. So make that face, girl. Squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it through. You got this. You can do this.
Don't give up on me. You can do this.
My arms hurt. So we are using this pony, this instant pony wrap from Sensational. I've obviously never used this, so this is gonna be my first time. I normally like doing this stuff with braided hair, especially because braided hair can come so long and you can control how full it gets. But because this was kind of a bit of a trial run, I just kind of figured, why not just use the ponytail wrap? Because this is supposed to be a quick little 10-minute hairstyle that you could do on your hair to look cute in the summer. The braid is everywhere, so this is just how it comes. And hopefully I got my hair. It looks a little brighter than my hair. Oh, it actually kind of looks the same. I just ripped this too damn hard. I just ripped one of the combs off. Great. That's what I get for being lazy, trying to just pull this thing off. Dang it. That's fucked up. Dang. How they gonna do me like that? Now I gotta cut on my finger. So now we really gotta get this road on the show.
Road on the show.
Just don't.
So I'm just gonna take this whole thing off now, unfortunately. I don't know how it's gonna grip, but it got Velcro on it too, so we'll make it work. Okay, so basically I use my one comb because it's supposed to have two, but I broke one. So I'm just like kind of not shoving, but securing that comb in. Then because this ponytail has Velcro wrap, it feels so secure. So I'm just taking my time wrapping it around, making sure that I don't have any hair stuck in the Velcro for a more secure look. Y'all, this mirror is getting on my nerves. I really should have moved it because, like, my finesse is blown. Like, you can see I'm wearing pajama pants and white socks with this baby girl top. I just cannot deal. I really try to do this part with one pan because I don't like a lot of pans in my hair. But if I have to do, like, two, that's fine. Okay, so let me do something about the front of my head because it's annoying me. So I have this mini straightener right here that I'm just going to use to kind of, like, curl them in. That's just kind of how you help them stay in place longer. If they're naturally laying the way that you lay them, then they're just gonna stay in place longer. Put a little edge control on it. Put a little edge control on it. Put a little edge control on that. That's the song I made up. Slicker than Gorilla Glue. Bomba clock stick down. Okay, so now also I forgot to mention that I am just spraying with Got2b for a little bit more security before laying it down. I'm going to lay this down for about 10 minutes. So now you could leave it here, or you could do what I do because you could see my hair sticking out, right? Like that. I also forgot to mention, because I know this says it's a 10-minute hairstyle, but girl, okay, when I say you can just put that scarf on, put your braid on, and then go inside your car, and then just take off the scarf when you get there, that's what I mean. Like, so it's still a 10-minute hairstyle, but just leave the scarf on, girl, while you're traveling, while you changing your clothes, just leave it on. It'll just help it slick it down. A lot of people would, if you want it to be even more secure, you could blow dry it, while it's under the scarf, and then let it cool down before you take it off, if you have time. And then I'm just taking off the scarf to fix my front pieces. I'm gonna straighten them, curl them, child. I'm gonna do everything to them, but you can do whatever you want. Yeah, but that's because I want it to naturally sit in the front. So that's why I did it. I didn't want it going fully to the side, but I did want it to naturally lay in the front. So this is the final result. I really, really like it. Let me know what you guys think. Like I said, it's just a clean hairstyle that I can do if I'm running out really fast, going anywhere, or like if just know that I may have something to do during the week, so I don't want my hair looking crazy. Also, if you don't feel like taking it out at night, what you could do is you could literally just wrap it up and then put a scarf around your head and sleep with it. So yeah, this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think. If you like it, hit that thumbs up. Let me know in a comment box down below. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're not subscribed, are you subscribed? Are you subscribed? Subscribe. Thank you. Okay, y'all, so I really hope y'all enjoyed this quick and easy summertime look. I love wearing this, like I said, to the pool, to the gym, all that. So make sure you leave in a comment box down below what you want to see next, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.